Hello everyone, this is Vrishali and welcome back to my channel CS and IT Tutorials by Vrishali. If you want to start your career in digital marketing, want to learn email marketing, social media marketing, content management, blogging, search engine, and also start freelancing, or if you want to learn or grow your business online, so this video is exactly for you. I have personally researched and shortlisted most important and best digital marketing courses for you. These courses makes your resume stronger. So don't waste your time. Let's start with the first course. First course is Introduction to Digital Marketing Fundamental course by Simplilearn. This is one of the perfect beginner friendly free course for you. See here, this is a beginner level course. More than 1 lakh students have already enrolled and 4.5 rating is there. See, this is a complete 5-hour course. If you want to switch your career in digital market, then sales professional, entrepreneurs or business owners, this is the best course for you. In this course, you will learn about what exactly digital marketing, then types of digital marketing, search engine optimization like keyword research, then also basic of social media, email marketing, Google Ads basic. So basically everything you need to get started here. And the best part is this is a short, simple and easy to complete course. And yes, you will also get certificate after completing this course. You can add this certificate in your resume or LinkedIn profile. So this is the best course provided by the Simplilearn. So just go to this site and click on Start Learning. This is a completely free course. I have mentioned link of all the courses in below description box. Now let's move to another amazing free course that you should not miss. That is Introduction to Digital Marketing by Great Learning. This is a beginner level course. See, more than 1.1 million learners are there. Total hour 3.75 and 4.4 rating is there. Here you will learn about different types of digital marketing, how search optimization and search engine marketing is work. Then for business purpose, audience growth and engagement purpose. Then again marketing automation, affiliate commission models, then advertising and digital public relations. So you will learn everything from the scratch. And yes, you will also get the certificate which is great for your resume. This is one of the authorized certificate from Great Learning. You can use this certificate for internship or freelancing profile purpose. So I have mentioned the link of this course in description box. So just click on the link, log in here and start the learning. Right? Now the next course are on Udemy. I think you know about Udemy is one of the most authorized platform. So here you can find many free digital marketing courses and tutorial. I am going to show you some of them on the screen right now. See here, Digital Marketing Essential Master Class. This is a completely free course. Then a free Digital Marketing Basics, Digital Marketing Associate course. See here, most free courses are there. So you can start your journey from here. You can learn from the scratch from these courses. So this is a completely 2-hour master class. 61 lectures are there, right? So here you will find digital marketing master class, basic class, then how to do social media marketing, then selling product on social media. You will also learn about content marketing, affiliate marketing of Facebook, Insta ads are there, how SEO works and many more. But important tip is not all free courses are high quality. So always check rating, number of students, reviews. This will help you to choose the right course from this. So see here, suppose I want to click this one, that is complete introduction into digital marketing for beginners. So this is a 2 hours on demanded video. You can explore this course. Most of the previews are available, right? So they can cover all the important topic: website creation, video marketing, TikTok marketing is there, Facebook marketing, how to use ChatGPT for Instagram marketing and meta advertising, chatbot marketing is there. So here you will learn from everything from the scratch. Now again, so my suggestion is you can pick 1 to 2 good course and complete them fully and apply what you learn. This is how actually you can grow in digital marketing. Now again, on Udemy, there are some paid digital marketing courses are available. See here. So the cost is actually in between 500 to 2000. But during sale, you can get them at very low price. Here you will find long duration courses on a complete digital marketing guide, master class, boot camps. So these are the more detailed and structured course. See here, these are the more structured course as compared to free courses. In paid courses, you will get a depth content, step-by-step learning is there, better explanation, and also sometimes real projects are there, right? So if you are serious about learning, this can help a lot. You will also get authorized Udemy certificate that enhance your complete resume. So my suggestion is before buying any course, check plus rating, that is above 4.3 recommended, number of student, then a course content preview, instructor's credibility. So this will save you a complete money, right? So see, this is a paid digital marketing courses. Now see here this one. So this is a complete digital marketing courses, 12 courses in one, right? So 22 hours on demanded video is there. So you can start subscription from 400 rupees and buy individual course for 699. So this price are vary as per the Udemy sell, right? So you can choose any courses, whether it is paid course and free courses. And these are the things are available in free courses and paid courses. And you can learn all those things, right? And nowadays, now this era, every points are necessary. Everything is important, right? This is one of the most demanding and trending field like digital marketing. Now, next one, see. This is the next free digital marketing course with certificate by Intellipaat. Intellipaat is one of the online learning platform that provides industry focused courses. They will also collaborate with top institute and industry experts to deliver practical training. This course again include real world industry projects and also provide minimum 3 interviews and guaranteed with top IT companies, right? See here. Here you will learn about SEO, content marketing, Google Analytics, branding, video marketing, paid marketing are there. See, and multiple modules are there in these courses. So this is a more structured course for beginner, which cover industry relevant topic and cover multiple marketing channels. See, in module 1 you will learn about blog and promote multiple sites, then tracking traffic on particular site. Then in module 2, keyword search optimization, mobile website, Google page insights are there. Module 3, promoting on social medias. Then video marketing, paid marketing, live Google ads, Facebook ads. Like we in real life, we all are facing all these things, right? Then email marketing, alpha beta testing. Then again in next module, you will learn about alpha beta testing, conversion optimization, then programming, ad marketing, affiliate marketing, content marketing, influence marketing, right? So these all things are necessary in Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and different shopping applications, social medias, everywhere this kind of things are used, right? And that's why these are the most demanding thing. So at the end you will also get the certificate which is helpful for your resume and LinkedIn profile. So this is one of the most authorized and verified certificate from Intellipaat. See, so I have mentioned the link of this course. This is a 24-week learning hour course. 5 rating is there, and this must learners have enrolled for this course. So these are the new course in digital marketing, right? So just go to this particular site and enroll for free. Now the next is digital marketing courses from Upgrade. I think you know about Upgrade is one of the leading online learning platform that offer career focused courses on multiple domains. So again, these are the free digital marketing courses online with certificate by Upgrade. So you can simply log in, sign up here first, then log in and start learning. It's that easy. So here you will learn about multiple courses like basic of search optimization. See, more than 33,000 plus learners are there. Fundamentals of marketing, then basics of search engine marketing, then introduction to advertising. So this is the demand of today's era, right? You can also explore multiple marketing free courses are there, right? See here, influence marketing, brand perspective, then again influencer marketing right way, build successful celebrity partnership and campaign. See, so this is a most free courses available on Upgrade. So some of these courses provide completion certificate which add value to your resume, right? So while learning from Upgrade, try creating your own projects, practice SEO or social media pages, apply what you learn in real life, and that's how you can stand out, right? So this all courses available on Upgrades, right? See, skills are there. Who should enroll for this course? Again, free courses, lifetime access is there. A certificate, beginner friendly courses are there. So again, this is one of the best learning platform for you, right? Now, next is a special course like a digital marketing strategy with Goldman Sachs 10,000 women. So basically, this is a global initiative by Goldman Sachs designed to support women entrepreneurs and learn by providing high quality business and management education. It has already helped thousands of women across the world to grow their skill, business, and careers. So this score is more advanced as compared to previous one. See here, 4.7 rating is there, total 3 hours of course. 98% positive response is there. You can enroll for free. More than almost 70,000 learners are there, right? So here you will learn about how to build digital marketing strategy, then customer targeting and segmentation, then marketing planning is there, online brand positioning, real world business application, right? So this is not just a theory. It focus on strategy, decision making. Then you can also get certificate from Coursera, right? So which is highly valuable for your resume and professional profile. So this is one of the best course for women to make your career in digital marketing and also other domain, right? See, 4.7 rating is there. So this is a great intro in digital marketing. Interactive sessions are there. Also good reviews are there on this site, right? So you can choose this course also. So again, this is the best course on digital marketing. Now, next one is Google Digital Marketing and E-commerce Professional Certificate by Google. I think you know that Google is one of the biggest tech company in this world, and it basically dominates digital marketing through tools like Google Search, Google Ads, YouTube, Google Analytics, right? So learning from Google itself in a huge advantage. See here. So Google Digital Marketing, they provide digital marketing plus e-commerce professional certificate. So this is paid professional level course designed for people who want to job ready skill. See, so actually this is a paid course but usually available on monthly subscription. See, when you click on this, you will get a monthly subscription here from Coursera, and sometimes you will also get 7 days free trial, right? So if you complete it seriously, it can actually help you to land internships or jobs in digital marketing, right? See, so here you will learn the skill about alpha beta testing, campaign management, client services, data storytelling. Nowadays, this one is a biggest thing, right? One of the most important things, storytelling. Then e-commerce, email marketing, interviewing skill, then loyalty programs, marketing. You will learn everything here, right? See, again, multiple sub courses are also there. This is 18 hours, 15 hours courses are. And at the end, you will earn certificate, right? So I'm suggesting you this one is the best course, but this is a paid one, right? So 6 months to complete, and this is a flexible schedule at beginner level. Almost more than 1 lakh students have enrolled for this course, right? So if you are serious in course, you can pay it, right? This one is the best one for you. Now again, see, this is all about all the digital marketing courses. Now, lastly, my personal suggestion is don't overthink it. Just pick up one of the best course as per their content. Complete it fully and start applying in real world project. Make some real world project, make some campaign or participate in multiple digital marketing activities. That's the correct way for success in digital marketing. Now, my question is, which course are you going to start? Please reply me in comment box. So thank you so much and please share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel. That will be helpful for everyone. Thank you.